It's in the tree. Let's see. Had problems a while ago. Flew right to a tree. Something about disconnect. Wi-Fi disconnected somehow. I don't know what in the world all that means. That means you're armed. It's your takeoff mode. A little bit of a breeze. This is a JJRC H71, I think. I don't know. I got a blooper reel I'm doing because it's been, yeah, we got a little bit of a breeze here. Turn the lights off. Whoa! See it flying? It's going to take off again from me. I don't know what's going on. There it is. It's hovering. Got like 3 speeds on this thing. 30, 60, and 90. It's not fast. I've flown this a few times, but you can see on my blooper reel here, I flew it right to a tree. Something happened with the, took the headless mode off. Something happened with the Wi-Fi connection. It connected to my GoPro earlier or something. That breeze blowing it. But yeah, it took off. It was gone. This battery's been used for a little while already previous to this video. I was just trying to do a little, that wind is, there's a breeze. And it is blowing this thing around. It's probably gonna start beeping at me in a minute. I don't think I get 6 or 7 minutes of video out of this, but I'm learning. And yeah, I got a lot to learn. Woo, get close to that tree down there. I have to turn it aside to even play against this wind. There's a breeze through here. Anyway, got a one-touch landing, supposed to. Sometimes I can put it on this box if I'm lucky. If not, it's about to hit my head right now. I don't know what's going on. Alright. Getting close to me, fellas. Come on, the wind's coming in. Let's go. Whoa, I'm about to hit that box.